close to a foot, maybe. And the storm is about to end, probably another hour and a half or so, and the storm will be over. But we have a lot of catch up to do. So we're having a lot of issues today. The roads are super slippery, so we're just struggling to scrape. We're not even supposed to be going down the big main hill at the site. For any of you who watch regularly, probably know there's like one big hill on the main road, so we're like not even supposed to be going near it right now because we've I think both machines and the dump truck have both slid down it. So yeah, it's a little tough. Even, you know, doing the driveways, they're just super slippery. They're not scraping well. But luckily the snow is starting to slow down. It's a little windy, but we got a snowblower attachment dropped off right before the storm for the other machines, so we had that hooked up. It's having a couple issues, but if we can get that going right, we should be in pretty good shape. So it's about 4 o'clock now. We've been out since 9 this morning. We haven't even gone through the route one full time. We're at the last big cul-de-sac, but we still are gonna have to go back through the whole thing probably one more time all the way through. And then also salt the driveway. So we're hoping the guy who plows the street is going to get salt soon for the road, so we can actually make it up and down that hill, because it's a super inconvenience. We actually have to go all the way. We have to go down a main road and then down a couple back roads to get to the entrance that's near the clubhouse. So it's just slow going today. You know, we'll make it, but it's being a little bit of a pain. So I don't know about you guys, but I am ready for springtime. I'm sick of the snow. I have never been a big plowing person. I've never really enjoyed it, especially being in the truck. At least I'm in a machine this year, but this site's a little tricky. My goal was to be doing a parking lot this year in a loader or a skid steer. That didn't end up happening, obviously, but I have some different plans for next year with my own machine, hopefully. So you guys will have to stay tuned for that. Next year should be a little bit better for snow removal, but I'm hoping to be done with snow removal few years. I just absolutely dread doing it. So I know some of you may be disappointed because there's a lot of guys out there who like watching these snow removal videos, but there's plenty of other guys out there. Go watch Dirt Ninja with his new metal plus. A little bit cooler than what I'm doing. And he's a little bit better too. So I don't know if it's just my tires lots of trouble today. The other machine has been having issues too. Not quite as bad as me, but pretty close. So I don't know if tires that are on that machine are just a little bit better, but really could use some snow tires. So it's just, especially at this point, with all the snow that's built up, it's taken about 3 times as long to do each driveway. It's really time consuming now, and we're not getting super good scrapes either. So, really hoping we can get that snow blower going. But as you can see right here, the road is, you know, barely even opened up.